Alright, so today we're making the Superman emblem. We're doing two actually. One for the front of his costume, which is in red and yellow, and one for his cape, which is yellow on yellow. So I just printed this out, basically. And now I'm gonna cut it out using my rotary cutter. To get it really precise, when I cut it out of paper, I used an X-Acto blade. That way it would be really, really precise. Because in this process, precision is key. So I'm gonna cut out two of these bases. So there's one, and then I will cut out my two yellow pieces, right? And now that those are done, I'm going to trace this symbol onto the heat and bond. You can see it right there. Heat. Are ready, and I no longer need this shape. I'm gonna go ahead and remove all of these. Or I'm going to cut one of these out in yellow. The difference between the two being that I will cut one of these out in yellow, and then I'm going to cut one of these out in red. The yellow will go on the back of his cape, and the red will be for my X-Acto knife for this. Look, something like this. Cool, huh? Now, take this symbol again, and so we'll trace it out, or I guess trace, cut, whatever. We'll cut it out of the red. Something like this. Okay, kind of cool, right? So now, just like with the yellow, fold that up, move it away. we need to do 2 more of these. Now if you notice, I'm folding this one backwards. I'm gonna cut 2 out like this. I'm doing that on purpose because I want the glue to be on a very specific side for when we go to glue them. Upside down for me and right side for you because I want you to be able to see it without my cord getting in the way. So hopefully I'm gonna take, I have another one of these papers and I'm gonna go ahead and stick it to the back just like I did with the and done. This is now ready. When I go to put this on, whatever it is I'm choosing to put this on, I will remove this backing, glue it down, and then zigzag in all of these spaces around the edge. Now that I have ironed this down, I think that's a little. Yeah, so now that it's been ironed down, you'll want to go through and zigzag in place. And I know I'm doing this, you know, for Superman obviously, but you can use the same technique on any superhero emblem that you want. So Flash or Green Lantern.